How do you find sec pi over 3? Now remember that sec theta is 1 over cos theta. So therefore, sec pi over 3 is same as saying 1 over cos pi over 3. Now what is pi? Now a full circle is 360 equal to 2 pi radian. So it means that pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, we have 1 over cos pi over 3 equal to 1 over cos. Pi is 180 over 3. So we have 1 over cos. 3 into 180 is 60. So we have 1 over cos 60. So therefore, we have 1 over cos 60. Put that in your calculator, you get 0.5. So therefore, our sec pi over 3 is equal to 1 divided by 0.5 will give us 2. So that is our final answer.